Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how you can make your digital life completely bulletproof. Imagine you've been working on a project for weeks, or you've spent years naturally collecting family photos, and one accidental click, you end up formatting your drive, and now it's all gone. Right? Well, that's what most people believe, but it's not the whole truth. You can still get those files back, and today we're going to show you how. That's right, in this video we're going to start by covering the 3-2-1 backup rule. Give you a quick overview of what you'll be doing in this video, backup options you have for Windows 11, and a step-by-step tutorial. But before we get into all that, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more. Alright, so what exactly is the 3-2-1 backup rule? If you've never heard of it, don't worry. You can think of it like the ultimate insurance policy for your digital life. It's basically a simple, foolproof strategy that's designed to keep your data safe from failure. Here's a quick breakdown. First of all, you'll need 3 copies of your data. This includes the original plus 2 additional backup copies. Why do you need that? Well, the answer here is simple, and that's redundancy is the foundation of data security. This way, if one copy fails, you're not just left scrambling for files. The next rule here is you've kept 2 additional copies on different media types. This means that you should use both internal drives as well as external SSDs for storage, because this media diversity will protect you from different types of hardware failure. And the last rule is to keep 1 copy off-site. This is where the cloud backup comes in. By using cloud storage services, you can ensure that even if there's a physical disaster to your primary location, you still have access to the data since you've stored a copy off-site. Now, before we move on, remember that implementing the 3-2-1 backup system is the most effective way to handle disaster recovery. Before we jump into the walkthrough though, let's take a quick look at the roadmap for our 3-2-1 backup strategy following 3 simple steps. Prepare your files, simulate a real-world failure, verify our recovery. Managing your data and keeping it safe is easy when things are running smoothly, but think about the common failure points we face every day. There's a ton of things like accidental deletion of critical documents, losing a specific app settings, or worse, finding your high-stakes project files or irreplaceable family photos are suddenly unrecoverable. We often choose short-term convenience over a solid backup strategy, but that "it won't happen to me" mindset can lead to irreversible loss. Whether it's a hardware crash or a virus, the 3-2-1 backup rule is designed to help you get rid of these risks entirely. Having said that, now let's look at some of the key data backup options you have with Windows 11. Before we simulate a data failure to get you prepared, you need to build familiarity with some of the best and fastest ways to secure your files by creating backups. For this, you'll be glad to know that we have multiple options, all of which are simple and can be completed within minutes. These options include a manual copy. For this option, you basically have to move your desktop, your documents and other project and data folders to an external hard drive, as it helps ensure you have a second physical copy. Cloud sync. Here, you have to use different online cloud storage options like OneDrive for syncing your critical files online. System image. For this option, what you need to do is create a file history or versioning using the system image features, as it's a vital part of your data recovery strategy. And export settings. Last but not least, you need to save your application credentials and browser bookmarks to ensure that your data management includes logins and license keys. Alright, so now that you're well versed with what you need to do to protect your digital data and keep you safe, let's look at how you're going to go about this entire process step by step. The first thing you need to do here is create a system backup by following the SOPs of the 3-2-1 rule as mentioned earlier. This includes creating manual copies of your data on an internal drive, an external SSD, and cloud storage platforms. Once you're done with creating the backups as instructed, it's time to run your entire data safety setup through a test simulation. For this, start by choosing any folder that you've backed up to at random and delete a file from within it. Now access your recovery storage option. The files should be there, so you can just copy and paste them to the original location to complete the process. In some cases, it's possible that you end up losing data from both your primary and recovery locations. The first thing to do here is stop saving any new files to such a location. Why? Well, because the system files may show up as gone, but they're not. It's just marked that space on the drive as available. So if you then save anything else after losing the files, they could potentially get written into those available areas, which will lead to permanent loss. Given this, you should follow these simple steps. Download and launch Wondershare RecoverIt. Look for the drive where you had the files, hover over it and click Scan. When you have the files showing up in RecoverIt, you can preview or recover them. If the files aren't appearing, then run a deep scan as shown here. After that, choose one or more files and click Recover. Now choose a new location where the files will be stored and click Save. Once the files are recovered and saved to a new location, repeat the 3-2-1 data backup rule for additional protection. And that's all you need to do when it comes to using the 3-2-1 backup strategy and ensuring your digital life remains permanent. By following the 3-2-1 backup rule, you can create a professional layer of ransomware protection that keeps your data and security from ever being left to chance. Remember, this is the ultimate data backup strategy for anyone serious about disaster recovery. The backup tips we've shared with you are designed to help keep your data safe forever. So don't forget to subscribe for more data management advice, share your results with us, and let us know how you're backing up today.